Most of us find our first grays by the time we turn 30. Usually at the temples, then later on across the scalp. The grey hair rule of thumb is that by the age of 50, half of the population have lost the color of 50% of their hair. Then researchers tested on this rule. They found that 74% of people aged between 45 to 65 had grey hair with an average intensity of 27%. Generally, men have more grey hair than women. Asian and Africans have less grey hair than Caucasians. Today, we will be discussing about premature graying of hair, triggering factors, and how you can slow down the onset of grey hair. So let's get started. Currently, scientists have two main explanations for getting grey hair. First one is oxidative stress, second one, stem cell depletion. Reactive oxygen species or free radicals are highly active molecules that can directly damage hair follicles. In our body, there is an inside defense mechanism that can reduce or neutralize them. With age, the production of free radicals increase while the endogenous defense mechanism decreases. As a result of that, large number of hydrogen peroxide molecules build up in your hair follicles. Hydrogen peroxide, also called oxygen bleach, damage and even kill the melanocyte cells that make pigment. This leads to less formation of melanin, turning your hair grey. Second main reason, stem cell dysfunction. Melanocytes are continuously created by stem cells. When we get older, these stem cells get damaged and many of them die off. Less stem cells mean less melanocytes that are produced, leading less pigment is created, turning hair grey. Scientists have found many reasons for this, but most of those cases are out of our control. First cause, oxidative stress, as I have mentioned earlier. Second reason, epigenetic changes. These are small modifications of DNA that regulate whether the genes are turned on or off. Third reason, mitochondrial dysfunctions, DNA damages, protein accumulations, and telomere shortenings. Okay, these are the two main primary reasons our hair turns grey. But there are many factors that can accelerate these processes. Let's see what are those. First factor, unhealthy nutrition. Any deficiencies of vitamin B9, vitamin B12, biotin, and folic acid can contribute to premature graying hair. It's best to take vitamin complex than taking one or few vitamins. And low levels of vitamin D are also associated with risk of premature graying of hair. Intake of vitamin C can alleviate glutathione and other antioxidants, substances that could reduce the oxidative stress in your hair follicles. Vitamin A. Vitamin A needed for healthier hair. However, be careful not to take too much vitamin A. Daily intake of recommended dose is 2,500 international units per day. Furthermore, copper, zinc, magnesium, selenium, and calcium-like minerals are also really important for having a healthy hair. More recently, researchers concluded there is an association between your serum ferritin level, your iron store, and your premature graying of hair. And also, thyroid disorders, thyroid antibody disorders have a risk of having grey hair. Flavonoids can slow down hair graying. They are found in large amount of bright fruits and vegetables like strawberries, oranges, pomegranate, green leafy vegetables, and also in dark chocolate, onions, and butterfly pea flower, and also some herbal teas. Nuts, especially walnut. Seeds such as flaxseed, chia seed, and pumpkin seed are also good to slow down the process of hair graying. One risk factor for premature graying hair is vegetarian diet. Often, vegetarians are deficient in important vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, zinc, iron, which are the hair stem cells needed to produce melanocytes. And on the other hand, eating a lot of animal products, meat and milk, can also cause premature graying of hair, because too much animal products can overstimulate aging pathways. Especially milk is a very good in activating their aging pathways. Additionally, milk contains galactose, which causes considerable oxidative stress in cells, which may lead to accelerate hair graying. A balanced diet consisting of large portions of vegetables and fruits and small amount of proteins of animal products is an ideal for controlling graying hair. Nighttime sleep. Sleeping in a dark room at night at least continuously for 6 hours will help you to stimulate melatonin hormone. Melatonin could reduce hair graying and improve hair pigmentation. Do not smoke. Smoking accelerates hair graying. Toxic substances found in smoking are taken up in the blood and turned into cells and build the pigment in your hair follicles, leading to increased oxidative stress and other formations of damages to your hair follicles. Furthermore, too much alcohol can tax on the cells in your body a lot and leading to further hair damages and premature graying of hair. Stress. As we have discussed earlier, stress can accelerate hair graying. Try to do some yogic practices, meditation practices along with your daily routine. In some medical conditions like vitiligo and autoimmune diseases like alopecia areata, chronic stress induces the release of noradrenaline from sympathetic nerve system, which depletes the stem cells that give hair its color. Recently, a team of neurologists reported Mucuna pyrrolins, called kapikachu in Ayurveda. This extract can reverse the hair graying. Mucuna pyrrolins contains L-dopa, which is a precursor of melanin pigment. And another example of hair gray reversal was noticed in some patients with cancer treated with immunotherapy. They reported that their gray hair becomes darker again. So far, any science couldn't find a complete solution for reverse gray hair. In Ayurveda, we have so many powerful herbs which can reduce the oxidative stress and promote hair growth. We call these drugs Rasayana Aushadha. Amla, Ashwagandha, Brakmi, Shankapushpi, Guduchi and Yashtimadu are some of these herbs. If you are searching for a solution to control your gray hair, it can be external or it can be internal. Try for natural solutions and less chemical containing products. Most of the products claiming for covering gray hair can contain so much chemicals that increase the oxidative stress. They will work within 5 minutes, but the damage will be there within you forever. So be aware of what you apply on your hair. So in this video, I tried to cover all the aspects of premature graying of hair, triggering factors, and how you can slow down this process. I think this video will help you a lot. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos. Thank you for watching.